हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय फूड चैनल आसान पकवान। आज जो मैं रेसिपी आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ वो है सेसमी सीड बाइट्स की। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो व्यूअर्स, टू मेक सेसमी सीड बाइट्स आई हैव टेकन हियर सम मिंस chicken, and to that I have added chopped onions along with garlic and ginger and some green chilies. Now I'm going to transfer this mixture into a bigger bowl, and to this I'm going to add the dry ingredients. So first salt, and after the salt I'm going to add some garam masala, which is definitely going to enhance the flavor of the sesame seed bites. Next, red paprika powder, and after adding a red paprika I'm going to add some black pepper and also one whole egg. Next, I'm going to give it a good mix with the help of a spoon. That I have added here is going to bind all the ingredients together. So once everything is mixed well, I'm going to spread this mixture on bread slices, and later on I'm going to fry those slices in oil. So here, as you can see, that I am applying a very thin layer of this mixture, the mince mixture, on a slice of bread. And in the same manner, I'm going to apply this mixture on the rest of the bread slices. Once the mince topping is spread evenly on the bread slices, as you can see that I have taken big helping of sesame seeds, and I am spreading it all evenly on this mince mixture. Next comes the frying part. So here I have taken a cast iron pan and I'm adding some oil to it. Not too much, not too less. And I will wait for the oil to get a bit warm. So here I'm just going to check the temperature, whether it is hot enough for the frying. So I'm just going to spread the oil evenly in the pan. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to put the bread slices with the mince topping into the pan. And make sure that you press the sesame seeds with the back of a spoon so that they don't fall off while frying. So first, I'm going to fry the part that has the topping on it. Now, there is still some space in the pan to add another slice of bread, but make sure that you don't overcrowd the pan, otherwise it's not going to acquire the color that we need. So one by one, I'm going to keep on adding the bread slices, the sesame seed toasts. So at this point, we can call them sesame seed toast because they are not in bite-sized pieces. And now I'm just going to make sure that the slices are golden brown from one side. So it's going to take around 2 to 3 minutes to cook. And once the side that we have put first is golden brown, then I'm going to flip it over and cook from the other side for 1 minute or until it turns golden brown from the other side as well. Once all the sesame toasts are fried, I will show you how to serve them. So there are many ways of cutting the bread slices, the sesame slices. One way is to just cut it from the middle into rectangular shape. And the other one is to just make smaller pieces, bite-sized pieces, And now our sesame seed bites are ready to be served with chili garlic sauce. So viewers, if you have liked today's recipe, like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can see the upcoming videos.